thanks for joining me. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you're returning to my channel, thank you so much for all of your continued love and support. And let's get right into the video. So I went to a couple different Dollar Trees yesterday, and I'm gonna start with kind of the more like boring, like essential stuff. I got a 75 count box of Kleenex. And I like that it's Kleenex brand Kleenex. I got it for work just because my allergies have been pretty bad lately. And then I got a 4-pack of these removable hooks. It says they hold up to a pound, but I wouldn't trust putting a whole pound on this. I just use them for like the holidays when I get those little signs from like Dollar Tree, like this one. I'll just hang it on one of these, and I like that you can remove it and you don't have to put a nail in the wall. And then I got a bag of Epsom salt. It's the sore muscle and back soak, eucalyptus scented. But I'm just gonna use it for a foot bath for my husband. He's been working some long hours, and hopefully this might help his feet feel better. I got a 2-ounce bottle of the Mod Podge. I think it makes it like matte instead of like the shiny one. I got this for some DIYs that I might wanna do. My husband got some Sweet Tarts these are the Sweet Tarts ropes in cherry punch. He really likes getting these when we go. And then I got 2 packs of these Keebler crackers. I got the club and cheddar, and then I also got the cheese and peanut butter. And then I got me 2 packs of makeup wipes. I got the brightening facial wipes, the strawberry and pineapple. It's by that new like skincare line that they have by Bolero. I'm really excited to try these. And then I also got some of the Allure makeup wipes. I got this one in the Night Calming Lavender. They did have the Witch Hazel ones, but I've heard some people say they kind of just smell like straight rubbing alcohol, so I decided to give these a try instead. And then this was a wish list item. I'm so excited to find this. It's the e.l.f. Beautifully Bare Stipple Brush. I love e.l.f. makeup brushes, so I definitely wanted to try this one out. And then I finally came and I bought this. I was kind of holding off on getting it because I wasn't sure if it was gonna work very well, but I got the mascara that they kind of put out with the Valentine's Day stuff. And I found these 2 really big like jaw clips from Scunchi. And I like getting clips like these to kind of like pull my hair half up, half down when I'm straightening it. So I'm really excited to find these. And I got this 3-pack of bath bombs. It's the watermelon and aloe. And I'm actually gonna try these in a foot bath for myself. I don't really take too many baths. My tub isn't very big, so I'm gonna put this in a foot bath and see how it works. The next couple items are all recommendations from Bonnie at Bonbons Hauls. I just watched her candle empties video, so I'll link that one down below. She had some really great recommendations, and when I went to Dollar Tree, I actually found some of them. So I'll start with this French vanilla latte candle. She had been talking about this one on her channel for a while, so I was really interested to try it. And it smells like vanilla, but it also smells like coffee. So it smells really good. And I got this one, and then this was the only one they had that had like the little like paper sleeve on it, because I also found this one that didn't have the little sleeve. It still had the thing to scan it, but it didn't have a sleeve. But I liked the scent so much that I just bought it anyway. Like, I don't care if it doesn't look as cute as this one. I just really like the smell, and she said the throw was pretty good. So then the next one that I grabbed that she recommended came in this little jar with a little, I don't know, it looks bumpy. And it's Earl Grey and cucumber. And this one's more of like a subtle scent, but it smells very clean and it's nice. And I like the jar, so I got 2 of them. Whenever I get like jars like this that look kind of nice for decoration, I'll get 2 to kind of set on each end of my table, my coffee table. So I'm really excited to see the throw on these ones. And then this one was my favorite that I found that she recommended, and it's the salted butter toffee, and it comes in the same little like jar as the last one. And it smells really, really good. So of course I got 2. I was lucky enough to find 2. There's still one more that I want to get. I think it comes in like a pink or purplish kind of jar. So I'm on the hunt for that one. But all of these candles smell really good, so I'm glad I watched that video. And I also got this this rose incense. I've been looking for this, so I finally found it. It comes with 20 incense sticks, I guess. And I like this little wooden piece that it comes with. I think that's really pretty. So I got these two little pictures to put up in our living room. This one says, "Love makes a house a home." And this one says, "You are my sunshine." And I thought these were really pretty. I like the little metal pieces on them. And then I also got this 90s trivia game. I've been looking for this for a while. I'm really excited to play this. And I got two of these spiral notebooks. The avocado ones, I got the Let's Avocado, and then just the regular avocado print. I got one for me and one for my sister. I'm gonna let her pick which one she wants. And then my husband actually found this for me, and it's this Blu-ray of Monte Carlo. And it has Selena Gomez and Leighton Meester in it, and I really like both of those actresses, and I love this movie. It's been a long time since I've seen it, and I thought this was a really great deal for $1. And I got this mirror, this framed mirror. I'm gonna try to cover it for my sister. I don't know if you've seen my Valentine's Day DIY video. This is the same frame that I used. She wanted one of these for a DIY that she's gonna do. So I'll link that video down below as well. And that is everything that I got at Dollar Tree. Thank you so much if you made it to the end of the video. Be sure to keep watching. I am gonna put some photos of some new items that I saw at Dollar Tree that I didn't pick up. I wanted to pick up, but I didn't, just because I didn't really have the space for them. But be sure to stay tuned and watch those. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.